All right, with this ring.
I be wet?
No.
Sorry.
It's okay.
What'd you say?
All right, you repeat after me.
It's been raining all day. I can't believe that it's finally sunny. I know.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Probably clear. It doesn't feel like me. Oh, yeah. All right, we're ready. It's fine. Just turn around. I was trying to walk around. I couldn't walk around. Come here. Don't cry. You're gonna make me cry, and I don't want to get
Quit.
Shattered families and shattered glass, scattered memories across the land, courage flickering in the dark.
Yeah, too bad.
This is what we do, this is who we are. When the storm goes through, can't tear us apart, no. Even when the road ahead is ruined, we will build another right next to it. This is what we do, this is who we are. Picking up the pieces of our broken hearts, oh. Look up to the sky and pray. Together we will be okay.
And she put it on and I was like, my finger's going purple. Is that normal? Yeah. Like, oh my, it's not moving.
Lindsey, I'm so grateful you waited on God's timing and didn't settle. Grant, I'm so thankful that you're in Lindsey's life. You care for her and treat her like the Disney princess she's always wanted to be. Marriage is the most special blessing, and you two are truly blessed.
Marriage is a gift of God, given the comfort of sorrows in life and magnify its joys. Your marriage must not stand by the authority of the state, not by the seal of your wedding certificate, but by the strength of your love and by the power of your faith in each other, and most importantly, in God.
This is who we are. When the storm goes through, can't tear us apart, no. Even when the road ahead is ruined, we will build another right next to it. This is what we do, this is who we are. Picking up the pieces of our broken hearts, oh. Look up to the sky and pray. Together we will be
Okay, right? Oh no, don't look. Look over this way. With this ring, I seal my promise.
I seal my promise.
To be your faithful and loving husband.
To be your faithful and loving husband.
With this ring,
I
seal my promise.
I seal my promise.
To be your faithful and loving wife.
To be your faithful and loving wife.
As God is my witness.
As God is my witness.
That what God is joined together, let no man separate. You may now kiss your bride because she's anxious.
look up to the sky and pray. Together we will be
All right.